My name is Mickey and I'm going to attempt to learn how to play the guitar. Hopefully you'll come along with me. Now that you have your first few chords under your belt, it's time to look at and work on the chords A and D. These two chords, along with E, which you already have looked at, are used in countless songs, from Common People by Pulp, Three Little Birds and Stir It Up by Bob Marley, Have a Dream by ABBA, Desire by U2, Johnny B. Good by Chuck Berry, and even Hound Dog by Elvis Presley. In fact, if what I have read is true, these are the only chords that Elvis knew. I could go on. So if those three chords are good enough to produce such classic songs, then I'm sure there's a lot more songs out there that suit your taste in music using the old A, D and E. Before we look at the D and the A chords, just a quick recap on the E. Third string down, fourth string even, first fret, second string down, second fret, third string down, third fret. Now, a problem I'm having with these, most of the chords, is I'm sure you have the same problem, is I'm actually buzzing strings where I'm touching one string with a finger that shouldn't be touching. So basically, that sounds a lot better. No, I'm sure it'll come with time. Moving on now to the A chord, basically it's third string down, second fret, fourth string down, second fret, fifth string down, second fret, and this is quite difficult for sausage fingers like me. That's better. It'll come with time, I'm sure. And finally, D chord, third string from bottom, second fret, bottom string, second fret, and second from bottom, third fret. From what I've seen, those three chords, D, A without a buzz, and E, apparently they're the three most important chords you're ever going to learn. I don't know how true that is, but they certainly do cover a lot of songs. So basically I'll always just have a bit of a jam, bit of a play, you know what I mean? Practice makes perfect, as they say. So just get that messed around. You can't go wrong. Who cares? It's only a bit of fun. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, whatever. Hey Michelle!